In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Sprints ClickApp tutorial step by step. We'll start right inside ClickUp. Head to My Workspace so you're working from the top level where settings and apps are easy to find. From there, look for the option called More Apps. This is where ClickUp keeps optional features you can turn on as you need them, and Sprints is one of those. In the search bar, type Sprints. You should see the Sprints ClickApp appear in the results. Click it to open its details, then toggle it on. If you don't see the toggle, you may need to be an owner or have permissions to enable ClickApps, so check with your admin. Turning this on adds sprint functionality to your workspace without changing any of your existing tasks. Next, go to the team space where you want to manage your sprints. This keeps your sprint work organized and separate from other departments or projects. Inside that team space, click the plus sign to create a new item. When the prompt appears, click Create. This will generate a sprint folder structure for you, which is where your sprint lists and tasks will live. You'll now see the sprint folder appear. Click Organize your sprints to launch the guided setup. This helper makes sure your folder is configured properly, and it's totally fine to accept the defaults if you're just getting started. When you're ready, click Next, review the summary, and then click Create to finish. You've now got a dedicated place to run your sprints with the correct views and fields attached. With the structure in place, it's time to add work. In the sprint list, add a to-do. This creates a task you can expand with details like a clear title, a brief description, an assignee, and a due date. Tips here: use consistent naming, keep tasks small and actionable, and add any fields your team uses like story points or time estimates so you can track capacity accurately. Finally, switch to board. The board view gives you a drag and drop workflow, which is perfect for daily stand-ups and visual tracking. You can move tasks across columns as they progress and quickly spot what's blocked or needs attention. That's it. You enabled the Sprints ClickApp, created your sprint folder in the right team space, walked through the organizer, added your first to-do, and switched to board to manage it visually. Keep iterating on your setup as your team learns, and you'll have a clean, repeatable sprint process inside ClickUp.